A year ago, I hit rock bottom. I couldn't sleep, couldn't focus, and every day felt like a battle just to get out of bed. I lost friends, missed opportunities, and felt like I was watching my life crumble from the sidelines. But today, I'm standing here, stronger than ever. And I want to share with you how I turned my life around in 100 days. Because if I can do it, so can you. Let me ask you something. What does your space look like right now? Is it clean? Messy? Somewhere in between? For me, my room was a disaster. Clothes everywhere, dishes piled up, and a desk buried under chaos. I didn't realize it at the time, but my environment was a reflection of my mental state. I couldn't heal in a space that felt like a war zone. So, I started small. I made my bed. Then I cleared one corner. Then another. It wasn't about perfection. It was about progress. And for the first time in months, I felt a tiny spark of control. Once I cleaned up my space, I noticed something else. I was still stuck in my head. And you know what was keeping me there? My phone. I was spending 12 hours a day, scrolling, binge-watching, and drowning in podcasts. Anything to avoid facing how I felt. I realized I hadn't had an original thought in months because I was too busy consuming everyone else's. So, I made a rule. No screens for the first hour after waking up and the last hour before bed. Instead, I journaled, read, or just sat in silence. It was uncomfortable at first, but slowly I started hearing my own voice again. Once I cut back on screen time, I realized I had all this extra energy, but no idea what to do with it. That's when I started moving. Now I wasn't ready for the gym. I couldn't even run a mile, but I could walk. So I started with 10 minutes a day. Just me, my sneakers, and the pavement. Some days, it felt pointless. Other days, it was the only thing that kept me going. Over time, those 10 minutes turned into 20, then 30. Movement became my therapy. It wasn't about fitness, it was about showing up for myself, one step at a time. As I started moving more, I noticed something. I was finally starting to feel like myself again. But I also realized I was still pouring energy into things that didn't matter. Endless scrolling, toxic relationships, and habits that drained me. So, I made a list of non-negotiables. Things I would do every day, no matter what. For me, it was drinking water, moving my body, and writing down one thing I was grateful for. These small acts became anchors in my day, reminding me that I was worth the effort. Celebrating those small wins gave me the confidence to start building a routine. Now, I used to hate routines. They felt rigid and suffocating. But I learned that a routine isn't a cage. It's a foundation. Today, I'm not the same person I was a year ago. I'm stronger, kinder, and more resilient. I still have bad days, but now I have the tools to navigate them.